Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to update your TikTok app. So if you want to have some new features and new options, let's go to the App Store. Then you need to pick on the search option here and pick on the search bar at the top of the screen to set the TikTok on it. Oh, sorry, TikTok. Yes. Later, we need to choose the needful application and tap on the update feature. Of course, it cannot be able on your device, but if it is, so you can tap on it smoothly. Wait a minute, please, before the updating. But definitely, it's the whole settings you need to do. Just only to wait before the update, and right now you will have another cool settings of this application. As an example, right now TikTok have a cool option to edit your new video, and as an example you will have some special option to create to add a song, to manage your TikTok just by adding new effects, etc. Guys, don't forget about likes. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel HardReset.Info, but it's not the end of our video because we will wait before the end. So let's wait a minute. Later, let's pick on the open bar to check the result. Skip ad. And yes, we need to go to the profile page. So this is our HardReset.Info channel. You can smoothly follow. Maybe we will have some new option after creating new video. So I will go to the camera. Later I need to tap on the red central button to create a new TikTok. And right now I will check some new features. Maybe right now they are enabled. So let's tap on the adjust clips option, and yes, right now we have a new mode, new features to create a new TikTok. So here we can correct the speed of our video, we can split, we can choose another volume, rotate our video, and as you can see we have a new layout of this editor mode. So guys, of course, and different application and different apps versions has another settings, but you just need to check if this application have some news, and to update it manually if you don't have the needful setting on your device. So guys, don't forget about likes as I said before, and have a nice day. Goodbye.